the side door, you can see it's fitted. Now just some final minor things that just needs to go in, but by and large we have achieved very substantial progress. Like I said earlier, just to get the power situation sorted, and this bad boy will be ready to go into use. Okay, so this is inside. The roof is completed. You can see the infrareds have been installed. 10 of them, yeah, 10. Yeah. Extensive work, very extensive work is gone in here. There's the filter, air filter. You can see how, yeah, cold the inside looks like a living space. So yeah, so there'll be glass on these fluorescent bulbs. You need to just put like the covering for it. It's been an amazing journey. Thank God for so far achieving this feat and getting to this point. And the next couple of weeks we'll be ready to roll. So yeah, I'm happy with the progress achieved so far. The wiring is almost done. It just needs to push all of these wires into the box, the fuse box. But yeah, I've come a long way, a very long way. We thank God for it. This is the front entrance for the cars will drive through. And this is the service door. Again. Yes, now we're here. You can feel the heat. The oven has been powered. At long last, I am happy and glad. This dream has come to life. Yesterday I said it was ready to power, and today it is up and running. Blessed be God.